So what you're watching right now is my failed attempt to make a video intro for today's video because, you know, the wind was blowing and the audio was not that good. So now I'm here with my voiceover. I hope you will enjoy this video because I managed to film some cool stuff and let's get into the vlog. Alright man, the weather is absolute crap, but we got Boeing 737. This is the Czech Airlines called Smart Wings. It's about to depart and yeah, it's raining like I don't really want my phone to get wet, but here where the fence with the barbed wire, you got this, so you can actually check it out, you know? What's up, man? But I'm waiting for the Boeing 777 that will be landing here in... By the way, this spot was situated right next to the airport customs. So when the 777 finally landed, it was kind of interesting to see this cargo terminal with all the logistics going on. Oh my god, yeah, this is what I was waiting for, man. Boeing 777. In the meantime, as you can see, there was some regular 737 from the Czech Airlines. And then I caught this monster, the Qatar 777 freighter that I was waiting for. Then this magnificent aircraft was rolling towards the cargo terminal, and here is the building I was talking about, the airport customs. Yeah, so after that I needed to switch locations to see the plane getting loaded. Qatar Airlines 777, oh my god, Lufthansa. Oh, yeah, 777 right there. Can only imagine. Man, it's massive. Look at the size of the engine. Yeah, it's about to be loaded up around the loading terminal. Now, this is as close as I can get. Bro, that was intense. Now I'm around this huge ass logistics hub. Yeah, this is amazing, man. This view is worth it all. This place looks so interesting. I love it here. Favorite spot in Prague so far. Look at this. There's like plaza. Just space for people. Livable green area. Bro, what a place. We're at the rooftop of a shopping mall and there's a Austrian Airlines plane. I think there's Airbus A320. Damn, that's cool. We got the view over the city of Prague. There's the skyline of Prague, skyscrapers, and there's the famously known Žižkova Tower. Oh my god. Damn, what a place. I need to show you because this area is kind of interesting. Wow, that's incredible. Here we are situated in front of the highway. And there's the entrance to the shopping mall with all those commie blocks in place. Holy boy.